Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. My name is Soraya. So we've all been there, submitted some artwork, it's been rejected. Now what? As I'm painting, I'll give you some tips for you to consider. So keep watching. Receiving a rejection after you've submitted an artwork is really hard. Believe me, I've had it happen to me many times. But there are a few things that you can do to kind of help yourself along the way when this happens. So one thing you can do is allow yourself to feel disappointed. It's normal to feel upset or frustrated when your work is rejected. You should acknowledge your emotions and give yourself the permission to feel disappointed. It's a natural part of the creative journey. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to receive all notifications. When this happens to you, keep creating. Rejections should not discourage you from continuing to create your art. Use rejection as a motivation to refine your skills and develop your artistic voice. Embrace opportunities to experiment with new techniques or themes. Remember that artistic growth is a continuous process. You should also develop a thick skin. Easier said than done sometimes. But rejections are part of the artistic journey, and even renowned artists have faced numerous rejections. It happens to everyone. You should cultivate resilience and develop a thick skin. Use rejection as a chance to learn and improve rather than as a reflection of your own self-worth as an artist. On a positive note, you should celebrate your successes. We tend to focus on the negative, but we don't often think about all the good. So while rejection can be challenging, it's important to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. Focus on the positive experiences, such as exhibitions where your work was accepted or positive feedback you receive. Recognizing your accomplishments can provide the motivation to keep pursuing your artistic goals. Lastly, remember art is subjective, and one rejection does not define your talent or potential as an artist. Keep creating, exploring, evolving, and with persistence and dedication, you'll increase your chances of finding success in the art world. Oh boy, for a small painting, it sure has a lot of impact. I just love this Enso look to it. It is circular with kind of stuff going off of it, which is really, really cool. I love that. And lots of beautiful detail here. Look at the lines. So I'll show you back here in just 1 second what it looks like dry. And here it is dried. It looks beautiful. It dried perfectly. And I'm not going to touch it. Very rare for me, but I think it looks great just the way it is. Let me know in the comments section what you think. And click on the link you see now to see more of my artwork.